All right, so this time we'll talk about how to crop an object, right? So there are a couple of ways. I'll teach you the very basic one. So let's use the next tool, which is let me go over this one right here, which I think this is the okay, quick selection tool, right? So when you click on that, and then you click on that layer right here, and then you can see that there's like a cursor right here, a circle with plus symbol, right? All you have to do is just to click on it, click and hold, and drag it to the entire object. Let's say, for example, that one right there. Okay. So as you can see, there's like a selection already, right? So it selected the entire object, right? So once it's done, all you need to do is so click on Control or hit Control in your keyboards and C to copy that, and then you can create a new layer. So remember the layer. So click on this icon right here. And this it will open a new layer, and then hit Control V. So when you, by the way, let me also uh, teach you how to turn off the layer by clicking on this eye icon right here, eye symbol. So it hides the first layer, but as you can see, there's another layer and it doesn't have a background anymore, right? So you can see that there's the object right here. Okay, so simple as that. That's the quick selection tool. Now, another way, let me hide this second layer right here and then show the other layer once again. Okay, then if you would like to delete that layer, by the way, just click on this layer right here and hit on the space bar of your keyboards, and then it will automatically delete that layer. Okay, so that's another thing. Now, another way to select this object right here is you can click on this. I think this is the rectangular marquee tool. Click on that, then click and hold. Click once and hold. Then select this object. Let's say, for example, you just want to have this object right here. So it selects that object, right? Then you can hit on Control C to copy, and then create a new layer by clicking on this icon right here once again. So second layer is created. Now hit on Control V. So it again pasted that object. So there are like two objects right here. So when you turn off the first layer, so it only shows the one that you just copied and pasted. So that's number two technique, right? So another one is pretty much basic as well. Let me hide this second layer again and make sure the first layer is selected. I'll go ahead and delete by clicking on this layer and hit on backspace. Now let's say, for example, I would just like to resize or crop this first layer image. All you need to do is just to click on this crop tool, click on that, and then if you notice there are like corner lines right here, and then when you hover your mouse, so it's telling you that you can adjust it. So you can just click and hold, then drag it here, drag it to where you want to crop the object, and this corner as well. Do the same with this portion right here, and then I see, and as you can see, the other space is actually grayed out, but here you selected this object, so just go ahead and click on that. So as easy as that, you are able to select this object. And by the way, as early as now, let me teach you how to save this image. Let's say, for example, this is your final image, right? So all you need to do is just to click on File, and then click on Save for Web. Click on that, and then you can see the size here. So you can